crafty sis, welcome to my channel. My name is Mona Lisa. I create and sell some of the dopest custom party favors and also teach other creative women how to do the same. For today's video, we're gonna dive into the magical world of custom party favors. If you've ever wondered what makes custom party favors so special, you're about to find out. Let's start by defining what custom party favors are. I want you to think of party favors as more than just small gifts that guests take home after a party. Think of them more as personalized tokens of appreciation that shows the appreciation of the host in style. Whether it's a monogrammed keychain or a beautifully packaged sweet treat, custom party favors add an extra touch of thoughtfulness for any celebration. Here's an example of party favors that were used for a small birthday party celebration. Not only were these custom wrapped goodies used to celebrate the event, but they were also used as decor for the table and to give to the guests at the end to commemorate the celebration. For custom party favors, a little bit goes a long way. As you can see, these are so beautifully made that they make any celebration stand out. Custom goodie bags were also included to ensure that the guests were able to take away their party favors with no hassle. Many wonder, why do people love custom party favors so much? Well, it's all about the personalization. When you receive a custom party favor, you know that someone took the time to create something special just for you. It automatically creates a sense of connection to make the guests feel valued and appreciated. Plus, it's a wonderful way to commemorate the event and create lasting memories with your guests, family, and friends. Let's take a look at some favors that were created to individualize each guest by including their names. As you can see, these are also great for keepsake items. Now, the bigger question is, do you DIY your favors or do you hire a professional service? DIY is a great option if you're someone that's crafty and you're able to get things done. You could utilize things like the templates from our party favor template library and things of that sort. Now, if you're not crafty, DIY might not be the best option, and it might be just best for you to hire a professional service to make sure that your favors are top notch. Shameless plug, if you are looking for custom party favors, you can either order them from Canvas Bling or you can check out my network of crafty sisters who are super dope with creating some of the best custom party favors that you'll find. I'll link my store as well as my crafty sisters down below. So there you have it, the magic of custom party favors. Whether you choose to DIY or go to a professional, the most important thing is to infuse your favors with love and creativity and overall just fun and festiveness. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more party inspiration. Until next time, happy party planning!